Hi there, my name is Daniel Feller. I lead AI programs at Rhino, and today I want to introduce to you the Harmonization Copilot, which is our AI-powered tool for healthcare data engineering. If you're familiar with healthcare data, you know that data harmonization can be challenging. For one, health data is complex. There's many different data types, such as labs, conditions, and treatments, and there's a variety of standards, such as LOINC and SNOMED, that need mapping to. Second, collaboration can be challenging as clinical and technical teams need to work together. And finally, continuously evolving source data and standards can make change management really challenging. It's then no surprise that many IT teams often lack resources to adopt standards and common data models, and less than half of health systems have adequate interoperability. Enter the Harmonization Copilot. The tool uses AI to map data to standards. It offers an integrated workflow that fosters collaboration between clinical and technical teams, and versioning capabilities enable robust change management. You'll see in the figure at the bottom how the Copilot works. First, you'll access data from a healthcare data warehouse or flat files. You'll then perform syntactic mapping, also known as schema mapping, to a shared data model. You'll then perform semantic mapping, also known as code mapping, to controlled vocabulary such as SNOMED and LOINC. You'll then execute your ETL in a no-code fashion, and you'll get harmonized data as an output. Let's see how the tool works. So here I can define my syntactic mapping. On the left is my source field, which is my data. In the middle is the target field, which is the data model that I'm mapping to. And finally, you can see the transformation. We support many different types of transformations, such as converting dates, mapping to a custom vocabulary, executing row-level Python code, semantic mapping to a controlled vocabulary, set values, stable unique identifiers, table-level code to generate features, and finally VLOOKUP. Once I've defined my syntactic mapping, I can then go and perform semantic mapping to a controlled vocabulary. For example, here I've mapped to LOINC codes. You can see my lab names here ordered in descending frequency. So this is the most common lab test name in my data, and a result, I'm trying to map that to a standard vocab first. Here is the recommendation from the AI. And finally, this dialog here enables my informaticists or my clinical teams to come in here and approve or suggest another mapping from the AI. Finally, there's a custom vocabulary feature here where I can define between my collaborators a custom vocabulary that the AI will use for mapping. You'll execute your ETL at the push of a button here by pressing run, and it's that easy. As a result, I'll get harmonized data. We feel that the Copilot is the most robust solution on the market. You can do many different things with the Copilot much easier than other tools. For one, you can retrieve data from enterprise storage, map to standard vocabularies, transform to common data models using an automated ETL. The collaborative mapping workflow is integrated into the Federated Computing Platform. By nature, the solution is privacy preserving because of our federated computing design. And finally, there's integrated versioning and maintenance utilities integrated into the tool. Thanks so much. You can find more information on our documentation page.